Hi Dan, my name is Willie Dahe McGee Toyota. I just want to introduce myself really quick and also thank you for choosing us as part of your shopping experience. The car you requested is still here. The 2010 Mazda CX-9 is still here. Have the keys on it. And I'm about to show you a quick walk around of it, outside and inside. And if you, after the quick walk around, if you have any questions regarding this car, just give me a call back, 508-943-7474. Again, 508-943-7474. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.